Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete CoinMaster account. So, let's get started. Begin by launching your CoinMaster game. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. And then tap on Accounts, which is at the bottom of your screen. There you can find Permanently Delete My Account option. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on the Delete button. Now fill the form to delete your account. Once you're done, tap on the Submit button. Once your account is deleted, you will be notified. And this is how you can delete CoinMaster account. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.